Welcome back to Haul Tech, the place that takes you into the world of heavy transport. From daring maneuvers to unexpected challenges, get ready for a thrilling journey and unforgettable moments on every road. This driver had steady hands and a sharp mind. He knew exactly what to do. No one was injured, and there was no serious damage. I held my breath when I watched this video. Just like in a movie, the train zoomed past so close, just a few centimeters more, and we would have been done for.
You not press pause, have you? Now it's recording.
That's one way to wash a truck straight into the water. Hopefully the engine doesn't get too shocked by the sudden turn.
It's quite weak, it's quiet. You can't hear anything, can you? So you think out now, it's cut out? Has it cut out? It's up to you. That's how you do it. It's somewhere. I'll get the watermark in a minute. No, it's not. Where you put your nose? It's on my computer built by
The jackhammer roared like thunder, its power as fierce as a storm, and the operator's bravery was almost unbelievable. It felt like an action movie unfolding right before our eyes. If that truck had feelings, it would be crying right now. Even the powerful ZIL 131 had to give in. This rain-soaked slope was a formidable opponent. Well, that's definitely a unique way to inspect roadwork up close. Luckily, no one was injured during this unexpected site visit. When experience combines with skill, this driver handles the load like a true professional, not a single mistake made. A horrifying scene. Two massive locomotives collided head-on. The fact that the drivers survived is a testament to human willpower and the skill of professional rescue teams. Imagine two gigantic 269-ton rotors being escorted through the French countryside by a convoy that seems to stretch endlessly. Specialized hydraulic platform trailers constantly adjust to every bump and slope, ensuring the load remains perfectly balanced at all times. In an operation this complex, every millimeter matters. Yet the Couturier team makes it look effortlessly smooth. No doubt, the Komatsu PC450 operator is truly a master of heavy machinery. But just look at that Scania R14, parked right at the edge of the cliff. Its 420 horsepower engine is undeniably powerful, but positioning the truck there takes serious courage. One small mistake, and it could go straight over the edge. Transporting massive wind turbine blades across Sweden's rugged terrain requires more than just brute strength. It demands high precision. With some blades stretching over 70 meters long, navigating them through narrow roads and sharp turns calls for exceptional engineering and careful planning. Recovering this excavator was much more challenging than it looked. The Hyundai worked smoothly in coordination with the supervisor to carry out the rescue successfully. These guys have truly built a masterpiece. This machine weighs nearly 11,000 pounds, packed with raw power, yet it runs as smoothly as if it were finely tuned. Whether it's farming, hauling, or towing, it handles every task like a pro. When you see a 140,000 kilogram excavator being transported, you know you're witnessing something truly remarkable. The Panther low loader doesn't just carry the load, it commands the road, while the Cat 745 articulated truck pulls with unstoppable force. This is more than just a transport operation. It's a testament to modern engineering and pure mechanical power.
Winch this skid on.
Once again, the Kenworth proves why it's known as the Beast of the North. It powers through the terrain like nothing can stand in its way.
do.
Which moment surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.